Bone samples are routinely prepared for DNA and protein extraction in many forensic and archaeological laboratories. Bones represent a unique sample matrix as their structure preserves analytes even after long periods of environmental exposure. However, extraction of analytes from bone can be extremely challenging. Standard methods include sodium hypochlorite incubation or demineralization techniques. The use of strong oxidizing compounds is hazardous, and demineralization methods are extremely time-consuming. Cryomilling on the Beadruptor 96 offers a safer and faster approach while maintaining analyte integrity and improving yields. Prior to cryomilling, please adhere to proper safety procedures. Wear safety glasses and avoid contact with liquid nitrogen. Prepare a 50 milliliter stainless steel milling jar with a 25 millimeter milling ball. Place your bone sample into the milling jar. Ensure that the milling jar is tightly sealed before proceeding. Submerge the milling jar in a liquid nitrogen bath for 3 minutes. When ready, remove the jar from liquid nitrogen. Check the jar seal to ensure that no sample contamination has taken place. Place the milling jar into the Beadruptor 96, fastening the clamp securely. Set the timer for 3 minutes and the speed control to 25 Hz. Press the Start button to begin the processing cycle. The speed and duration of your processing cycle may vary depending on the size, shape, and density of your chosen sample. Upon completion, unfasten the milling jar from the Beadruptor 96 and remove any excess condensation. Your bone sample is now ready for DNA and protein extraction.